right, guys, so here is a look at the braiding pattern. I did some tiny braids at the front of her hair, and as always, all of the braids connect to one braid, but I really wish that I would have done her braids along the front a lot larger, especially because I kept the pieces whole. It made it pretty difficult to get the pieces through because the pieces are so large, thick, and bulky. So if you plan on keeping the pieces whole, I would recommend that you do larger cornrows across the front of your hair. Now, if you plan on splitting them and going for a fluffier look, then this braiding pattern will work just fine. But again, if you're going to keep the pieces whole, be sure to do a larger braiding pattern. Save yourself some trouble, girl. So when I got ready to install the hair, because I did not split the pieces, I had to go and leave spaces, almost like laying bricks. You want to kind of leave gaps throughout when you're installing. That way you won't have too much hair in one spot. You won't run out of hair. And then you can always go back and fill in if you need to. But it's very important if you decide to leave these pieces whole, baby girl, please leave spaces. So here's a look at the finished product. We use a total of 4 packs. And I'm going to go in and show you guys what the part looks like. Some of the pieces along the front I had to split, especially to fill in her hairline because I did not want to cause breakage or anything like that. When you do split the hair, you will get a ton of frizz because the hair connects down towards the bottom. So I had to kind of coil those curls back into place and then decide which pieces I wanted to use, which parts of the hair I wanted to use and which parts of the hair I needed to discard because I couldn't use the full amount of strands after I split the hair. So that became problematic when installing this hair. So what I really like about this hair is that it looks like a natural twist out, especially if you don't split it. Now, if you do split it, it's going to get really poofy and really frizzy up front, but it has a lot of body. It has a lot of movement. It's bouncy, it's fluffy, and it looks very natural to me. So for my final thoughts, I really like the hair. I'm glad that we decided not to split the pieces for longevity and just for a cleaner look overall. She does not like that frizzy, poofy look. So, I mean, overall, I like it and I would recommend this hair.